now guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to tell you how to solve Rubik's Cube 3x3. So first of all, let's study the components of the 3x3. Now first you have the 3x3. Now there are 6 sides: white, red, blue, orange, green and yellow. Then you have 3x3, so it has 9 pieces on each side, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now in these 9 pieces there are, on every side there are 4 corners, 4 edges and 1 center. So one center is this one that has one color, so this is one center. This is the center of green, this is the center of blue, this is the center of white, this is the center of red, and then there are edges. The edges have 2 colors, like this edge. This edge has white and green as its edge. Now this piece is a green and orange. Now after all of this, you can conclude that the edges have two colors. Then we have corners. So corners are these ones that have 3 colors. So this one has yellow, green and red as. So in the whole cube there are 8 edges. 8 corners. 1 2 3 4, and on the other side 1 2 3 4. So there are also only like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yes, 8 and 10, almost like 12 edges, like I don't know, and there are 6 centers. So now that we know all the components, now we need to know what the moves are called. So first of all, let's get, so this side, if we move it up, it is called R, okay, and if we move this down, right side downward, it is called R prime. Then if we move the left side upward, it is called L prime, and if you move it downwards, it is called L. So now there will be a question in your mind, why it is called R and R prime and whatever. So now this has to be clockwise and anti-clockwise. So clockwise is called R, is called R L, okay, and the anti-clockwise has a prime with it. So now you see this is clockwise. If you want to see it, we are just moving it clockwise like this, but on the side. So this is it. So R is upwards and R prime is downwards. In the L, the L is downwards and R prime is upwards. And now we come to the top one. So this is called up. So yeah, or U. So U is like this, and U, no, yes, U is like this, and U prime is like this. So U moves from right to left, and U prime moves from left to right. Then we go to the bottom side. So this is the bottom one. So bottom is, so this is B, and this is D, this is D, and this is D prime. So this is it. And then we move to forward and backward. So we recognize forward, in front is like F. So F is like this, it moves this clockwise F, and anti-clockwise F prime is like moves like this. And then in the back we have, now a B is like this, it moves clockwise, and then B prime like this. Now that's all, that is all how you move the cube. Now moving on, how to solve it. There are like there is white cross, then a white layer, cross, first layer, second layer, and then top layer, and then the rest of the cube. So there are like 4 or 5 ways. So now this is called the beginner one. I will be making more and more tutorials, but today we are going to be covering step 1. So step 1 is making the white cross. So white cross is like a plus sign, so like it is like this. Remove the edges. Yes, removing the edge. Now this is a white cross. Okay, wait, you can like look it like this, so it can, but it is like a plus sign. So let me just do it back. So that now, now you are watching this video. If you have shuffled it or you're going to shuffle it, so we're going to just shuffle it randomly and do what we have to. Yes. So after this shuffle, now we're going to first, the first step to make the white cross is to make a daisy. So a daisy is like all the white edges are over here. So the one white edge is over here, that is white and orange. So this edge is here. So now we have to move this one white and green over here. So but if we move it here, this is removed. Now we don't want that, so we will be moving it over this side because it is empty, or we can move it to this side because it is empty. So we will move it to this side, and then we will just move like the right side up, and then now let's find the next one. So this is the one. Now I will be telling you most of the cases. So this one is here, white and red. Now we will have to twist it, like you cannot. So now you will move it like this or like this. So we will be moving it like this. So there, this is empty, so we can just move it up like this. Now this one is beneath us, so like this, and we will move it like this. And then this is not empty, so we will move the upper layer like this, and then we will move this up. So that is complete daisy. Now I think there will be a question like, yes, how to do it, like yes. So this is also a case. This is over here, and you have to move it over. First place the empty one above it, and place it like above, like move the front side 2 times, and it will be done. So if you have any more questions about making a daisy, please, you are free to ask in the comments below, and let's get on how to make the white cross now. So first of all, look around if you have any of the center matching with the color of the edge. Now the white red is matching, red and red, so this is matching. Now you will move your front side 2 times so that it is here. Yes, so it is matching here, like it is matching this and this one. So now we will moving now we will move to this edge. So first you will see it is not matching, so you will move it right or left. I will be moving it like this. So it is not matching still, so you move it again. Now it is matching, so move it 2 times so that it gets over here. So two of it is done, half of it, and then move to the other edge. This is not matching, so move it 1 time. Now it is not matching, move it another time. Yes, now it is matching, so move it 2 times so that it goes over here. So now the last one, move it one side. No, it is not matching, it is red, so move it another time. So now it is matching, so now move it 2 times and you'll make the white cross. So we have the white cross ready. The next step in the next video will be making the white layer. So how to do the edges, corners. So in the next video I will be telling you how to make the corners, so please subscribe and like the video to watch the full tutorial, and click the notification bell to to get more information. I will be making videos like this of Paraminx, Megaminx, 4x4, 5x5, and many cubes. So please subscribe and like the video, and I see you until next time.